Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Returning PLIX products in 2026 is pretty straightforward if you know the steps. Step 1. First, check your eligibility for a return. You've got 30 days from the date you received your order to start the process. Make sure the product isn't used, unopened, and in its original packaging. If it meets these conditions, you're good to move forward. Step 2. Log into your PLIX account on their website or mobile app. Navigate to your order history and find the specific order containing the item you want to return. Click on it to see the details of what you purchased. Step 3. Select the return option next to the product you're returning. Choose your reason from their drop-down menu, whether it's because you changed your mind, it arrived damaged, or doesn't match the description. Be honest here because it helps them improve. Step 4. Print your prepaid return shipping label that PLIX will provide. They'll either email it to you or show it in the app. Attach this label securely to the outside of your package. Then drop it off at any carrier location or schedule a pickup. Step 5. After they receive and inspect your returned item, they'll process your refund. This typically takes 5 to 7 business days after they scan it in. Your money goes back to your original payment method, and you'll get a confirmation email when it's complete.